Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
The petitioner appeared on two occasions before this court for hearing of the case since her counsel was not available and she urged her predicament of not giving appointment by the state authorities despite her eligibility full stop. In these circumstances, on 14/7/2017, when the matter was listed, Mr. D.D. Advocate, who was present in the court, was requested to render legal assistance to the petitioner full stop. He very generously offered to provide his pro bono services to the petitioner full stop. The matter was posted for 15 July 2017 full stop. On that day, Mr. P.S. Advocate also joined learned counsel Mr. D.D. to provide assistance to the petitioner full stop stanza. The petitioner was also present on that day full stop. Since the parties were fully prepared for arguments, the matter was heard and the order was kept reserved full stop. The instant writ petition under Article 226 has been preferred by the petitioner seeking a direction for the respondents to conduct her medical examination for the purpose of assessing her height and accord her appointment on the post of geologist in pursuance of the advertisement dated 9 February 2015 with all consequential benefits full stop. Succinctly stated facts relevant and essential for disposal of the instant writ petition are that the Rajasthan Public Service Commission published an advertisement dated 9 February 2015 inviting applications from eligible candidates for filing up various posts including 10 posts of geologist for the Mines and Geology Department which were mentioned at serial number 9 in the table providing details of vacant posts and reservation full stop stanza. The number of posts were subsequently increased to 19 vide corrigendum dated 27 July 2015 full stop. The petitioner considering herself to be eligible for the post of submitted her application within the stipulated time in general women category full stop. She appeared in the written examination held on 27 April 2017, the result of which was declared on 14 June 2017 full stop. The roll number of the petitioner also found place in the provisional merit list of the candidates who were called for interview full stop. The petitioner appeared in the interview and secured 60 marks whereas the cut-off marks for general women category were 57 full stop. On 18 December 2014, the respondents declared the final list of selected candidates for the post of geologist full stop stanza. The roll number of the petitioner found place at serial number 14 in the merit list full stop. Thereafter, in pursuance of the letter dated 5 February 2016, the petitioner appeared for medical examination at the Swai Man Singh Hospital, Jaipur on 12/2/2014 full stop. On 2/6/2014, the respondents issued appointment letter to 15 candidates, but the name of the petitioner was not included therein full stop. On containing the respondents, the petitioner was verbally informed that she was not given appointment due to not fulfilling the criteria of minimum height, as she was giving height of 13 cm against the required height of 14 cm full stop. The petitioner got conducted medical examination on her own at Maharana Bhopal Hospital, Udaipur, and as per the certificate issued from there, her height is 121 cm full stop. The petitioner also got conducted her medical examination from the Savai Man Singh Hospital, Jaipur, and as per the certificate issued, her height is 140.3 cm full stop. The petitioner submitted a detailed representation to the respondent requesting them to consider her candidature for the post of geologist full stop.